Are you looking for the best mini drones? In this video, we will look at some of the best mini drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Mavic Mini Combo. The DJI Mavic Mini Combo is a remarkable lightweight laptop companion that perfectly complements the extraordinary capabilities of the DJI Mavic Mini camera drone. Weighing in at less than 0.55 pounds, 250 grams, the Mavic Mini drone is astonishingly lightweight, making it almost as light as the average smartphone. Notably, this lightweight feature allows drone enthusiasts in the United States and Canada to operate the Mavic Mini without the need for government registration, simplifying the process of getting started with aerial photography and videography. The Mavic Mini Combo includes the compact yet powerful Mavic Mini camera drone, which serves as an exceptional creative companion for capturing moments in a way that effortlessly elevates the ordinary. Despite its diminutive size, the Mavic Mini excels in performance, and its lightweight design has a significant advantage when it comes to flight time. With a fully charged battery, users can enjoy up to an impressive 30 minutes of flight time, allowing for extended periods of aerial exploration and content creation. Number 2. Potensic Upgraded A20 Mini Drone. The Potensic Upgraded A20 Mini Drone is a user-friendly and entertaining quadcopter designed with features that make it particularly suitable for kids and beginners. This mini drone comes equipped with a range of functions to enhance the flying experience. The A20 Mini Drone features one key taking off and landing, as well as an auto-hovering function. These features make it easy for users to launch and land the drone, and it can hover steadily at its current altitude. This simplicity and control is especially advantageous for children and novice drone pilots who are learning to fly with the throttle stick. This drone includes 3 rechargeable batteries, which significantly extend the flight time to approximately 15 to 18 minutes. With the extra batteries, users can enjoy longer and more fun flying sessions with friends and family. The headless mode eliminates the need to worry about the drone's orientation during flight. This feature ensures that the drone moves in the direction relative to the pilot's perspective, making it easier to control, especially for beginners. Number 3. Force One UFO 4000 Mini Drone. The Force One UFO 4000 Mini Drone is an ideal choice for kids and beginners looking to explore the world of remote-controlled drones. With its user-friendly features and vibrant LED design, it offers an enjoyable flying experience both day and night. One of its standout features is the easy-to-use 4-channel remote transmitter that allows users to launch, land, and perform impressive 360 degrees flipped stunts with a simple push of a button. This feature makes it accessible for both boys and girls, ensuring an exciting and fun experience for young drone enthusiasts. The drone's bright neon-colored LEDs not only add a visually captivating aspect to its design but also ensure visibility during nighttime or indoor flights. Furthermore, the 2-speed settings cater to the preferences of beginners, intermediate, and experienced drone pilots, allowing users to adjust the speed according to their skill level. Number 4. DEERC D20 Mini Drone. The DEERC D20 Mini Drone is an innovative and user-friendly quadcopter designed to provide an enjoyable and accessible drone flying experience, making it suitable for both kids and beginners. One of its notable features is a 720p HD FPV camera that allows users to view real-time footage from the drone on their smartphone via a dedicated app. This feature provides a first-person view (FPV) experience with a transmission range of up to 98 feet. Additionally, the camera is equipped with gesture recognition technology, enabling users to capture photos or videos with simple hand gestures like scissors or palm gestures. For beginners and kids, the D20 Mini Drone offers several features to make flying easier and more enjoyable. The altitude hold system enables automatic hovering, making it simpler to control the drone's height. The one-key start/stop function simplifies takeoff and landing procedures. Furthermore, the drone offers 3 speed modes, allowing players of different skill levels to choose their preferred flying speed, from low for beginners to high for more experienced users. In terms of flight time, the DEERC D20 Mini Drone includes 2 modular batteries, each providing approximately 10 minutes of flight time. This means users can enjoy a total of 20 minutes of flight without the need for immediate recharging. The modular battery design is not only convenient for swapping out for longer flights but also enhances safety during charging. Number 5. Holyton Mini Drone. The Holyton Mini Drone is an excellent choice for beginners and enthusiasts alike, offering easy remote control features and a range of fun tricks for an exciting flying experience. Designed with user-friendly functions, this drone ensures a hassle-free operation for pilots at any skill level. One of its standout features is the auto-hover function, which allows the drone to take off and hover at a preset height with a simple press of the one-key takeoff button. Additionally, the headless mode simplifies navigation, making it easy for beginners to control the drone's direction. With 3 different speed modes, users can choose the level of agility that suits their skill level. The Holyton Mini Drone also brings a playful element to flying, as it can be controlled to perform various tricks such as throw-to-go, auto-rotating, circle flying, and 3D flips. These features add excitement and entertainment to the drone's capabilities.